Pohnpei, are you ready? Hands up! We welcome Happy New Year 2026 tonight. Hands up! Pohnpei, are you ready?